conjugate classes. So today our topic is exercise 11.4 in trigonometry. So in the last classes we completed up to exercise 11.3, right? So now we are going to solve exercise 11.4 problems. So I hope everyone understanding the concepts very clearly. If anything is misunderstood, please comment, and then we will do the again one more videos on that where you are not getting properly. Okay. So I hope all videos are very clear. So if anything is wrong or anything you need more explanation on any topic, please comment in the comment box. Then we will surely we will work on it. Okay. Thanks at the same time. Thanks for being in my YouTube channel, and at the same time you are supporting a lot. Thanks for all this. So let us start the session, right? So see here as of now, trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. So basically we already learned what is trigonometric ratios, right? So what is here new thing is that the new thing is complementary angles. So what is meant by complementary angles? Complementary angles. So we already know that what we know that we already know if two angles are said to be complementary if two angles are said to be complementary, then sum of their angles must be 90. Sum of their angles must be 90 degrees. Okay. Are you understand what I am saying? Any two angles are said to be complementary if their sum of the angles must be 90. For example, for your understanding purpose, I am taking one more example. See here. For suppose angle A equals to 45 degrees. So I am saying that angle A and angle B are complementary. So what is the angle for B? What is the angle B? It is absolutely 45. Why? Because what is the condition here? Here condition is that sum of the two angles must be equals to 90. So if one of the angle is 45 means what is the remaining to get the 90? The remaining to get the 90 is 45. So for suppose one more example, if angle A equals to 30 degrees, so what is the angle B? What is the angle B when both are complementary to each other, when both are complementary angles, when both are complementary angles. So what is the answer here? When both are complementary angles. So if angle A equals to 30 is given, so angle plus angle B equals to 90. Why? Because the sum of their angles must be 90. So I am writing angle A equal to 30 plus angle B I don't know. So I want to find the angle B, right? Now see here 30 plus angle B equals to 90. 90. Now what should I do here? Angle B equals to 90 minus 30. How I am doing 90 minus 30? How it means? So I am sending this LHS part towards the RHS side. Yes or no? Yes. Here positive quantity. This positive quantity when it is transposed towards the RHS side, this becomes negative quantity. Am I clear? Yeah. So it will become. So what it becomes? It becomes 60 degrees. Am I clear? So I hope I am clear, but still I will do a little bit changes. If I am not, if you are not visible, then it will be problem for me too. So now see, we will go to this one, right? See now, is it okay? Right. So one more example I will give. Don't worry. This is our only explanation part. Examples we will cover in this examples and explanation. Total complete introduction to the complementary angles. One more example here. So let us take angle A equals to 60 degrees. Then what is angle B when both are complementary to each other? When both are complementary angles, where A and B are complementary angles. So you simply remember what you have to remember. You have to remember that sum of the angles must be equal to 90. See now. So angle A equal to 60 given. So you should find the angle B, right? So that is equal to 60 plus angle B equals to 90. Okay. Then what you will get here? You get here. What do you get? You get angle B equals to 90 minus 60. 90 minus 60. What is 90 minus 60? That is 30. Understood? So in this way you should do all the problems in our exercise. But they are not given in this format. So we should do see now. So I will make it a smaller. Yeah. So now see the our basic agenda is here. Our main agenda is to find the trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. Trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. Okay. See now. So trigonometric ratios of complementary angles we need to find, right? So here what is the triangle given here? Triangle is ABC is given. Okay. So now write trigonometric ratios for this. Sin theta. So no need to write theta here. Sin x. Okay. Sin x. So what is sin x from this? So I am writing again, drawing here. Same thing here. Same thing drawing here. Okay. This is A, right angle at B. So and this is C. Now what is the sin x formula? Sin x formula is opposite by hypotenuse. What is your opposite here? X. With respect to x, what is opposite here? Angle x. Opposite is BC. What is adjacent here? Adjacent is, sorry, what is opposite here? BC. Adjacent, sorry, our sin theta formula is opposite by hypotenuse. Remember it. Okay. Opposite by hypotenuse. So this is opposite. BC is the opposite. Hypotenuse is AC. Uh, Hypotenuse is AC. Next, cos x. What is the cos x formula? Same. Adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent is what? Adjacent is AB. AB by, what is hypotenuse here? AC. So it is adjacent by hypotenuse. Am I clear? Next. Next, sine completed, cos completed. Cosec. What is cosec x formula? Cosec x is that. So cosec x is the reciprocal of sin x, right? So it is nothing but hypotenuse by opposite. What is hypotenuse here? Hypotenuse is AC by hypotenuse by, what is opposite here? BC. So I will write, if you are confusing, this is hypotenuse and this is adjacent and this is, so sorry, this is what? This is opposite, opposite. This is adjacent. Now So what is the cosec x is equal to AC by BC. What is nothing but AC is nothing but hypotenuse. Hypotenuse by what is BC here? BC is opposite. Okay, clear? Next, sin x, cos x, sec x, cosec x completed. Now sec x. So what is the sec x formula? Sec x formula is reciprocal of cos. So that is nothing but hypotenuse by adjacent. Hypotenuse by adjacent. Now what is hypotenuse here? Hypotenuse is AC. What is adjacent here? Adjacent is AB. See here, adjacent is what? This is hypotenuse AC. What is adjacent? Adjacent is AB. Next, cot x. Before cot x, we will write easily tan x, right? Tan x. What is tan x formula? Tan x formula is nothing but sin x by cos x. Sin x by cos x is nothing but opposite by adjacent. What is opposite here? Opposite is BC. What is adjacent here? AB. Right? Okay. Then it is opposite by adjacent. Then what is cot x? Cot x is reverse of the tan x. That is nothing but adjacent by opposite. Adjacent by opposite. What is adjacent here? AB. What is hypotenuse here? Sorry, what is opposite here? BC. Am I clear? So these are the things we find with respect to angle x. Now don't confuse here. It is very simple. Now we have to find here angle A is given, right? So angle A is given. Angle A equal to what we are considering here? Angle A equals to x degrees. So now what is angle C? What about angle C? So how to find angle C is already given. Angle B is a right angle. That means it is 90 degrees. It is 90 degrees. We already know that according to triangular, what is the sum of the angles of triangle? According to triangle formula, sum of the angles of the triangle is 180 degrees. A plus B plus C equals to 180 degrees. Okay. Now already angle B is, we know the angle B value. What is that angle B value? 90. Yes or no? So A plus B value is 90 plus C equal to 180. Now A plus C is equals to what? We have to know. A plus C equals to 180 minus 90. That is nothing but A plus C equals to 90 degrees. Yes or no? Yes, angle A plus angle C equal to 90 degrees. But we need here angle A equal to x degrees, we know. Yes or no? Angle A equal to x degrees. Let us consider this is your equation 1. Substitute the angle A value. Substitute the angle A value. Substitute the angle A value in. Okay, fine. Substitute the angle A value in equation 1. So now in the place of A, we should write x degrees, right? X degrees plus C equals to 90 degrees. Now angle C equals to 90 degrees minus x. Understood? So I explained this all things. Why? Because of this one only. What is this? This is important thing here. So what is angle C? Angle C is nothing but 90 degree minus x. 90 degrees minus x. This one, this part. This part is 90 degree minus x. Okay, 90 minus x. So now we should do with respect to angle C, we should find all these trigonometric ratios again, all the ratios again. So where should I write? Okay, if you copy this thing, I will remove this thing and I will write here. Why? Because I need to compare that and I will reveal the logic what is behind it. Okay, so I am remove as of now I am removing it. Please copy if you are need it. Okay, so I am erasing this thing. Yes, okay, fine. See now we are finding we are finding sine 90. So I will write upside, little bit upside. Sine 90 minus x, 90 degrees. Okay, 90 minus x is 90 degrees. So see here, as per this 90 degrees minus x, the here angle C. So now what is the sine formula? Sine formula is opposite by hypotenuse. So with respect to this, what is opposite here with respect to this angle? What is opposite? Opposite is AB. Opposite is AB. Then what is hypotenuse with respect to this angle? So that is AC. Sine completed. Next moving to the cos. Cos of 90 minus x. See now, what is the cos formula? Adjacent by hypotenuse. With respect to this angle, what is adjacent? Adjacent is BC. Then what is hypotenuse? AC. Next, cosec x. Cosec x. Now, what is the cosec x formula? Hypotenuse by opposite. Hypotenuse is what here? Hypotenuse is AC. Then, sorry, I should write here 90 minus x. Okay. Okay. Yeah, I should write 90 minus x. Okay, cosec of 90 minus x equals to now. What is cosec formula? Hypotenuse. What is hypotenuse here? AC. By what is opposite here with respect to this angle? What is opposite here? AB. Next one, sec x. Sec of 90 minus x. So now what is the sec formula? Hypotenuse by adjacent. Hypotenuse is what here? Hypotenuse is AC here. And what is adjacent here? The adjacent is BC here. Next, cot x or tan x. We will take tan x. Tan 90 minus x. Tan 90 minus x equals to. So now what is tan? Opposite by adjacent. What is opposite here with respect to 90 minus x? What is opposite? That is AB. Then what is adjacent? That is BC. Next, cot x. Cot of 90 minus x. What is cot x formula? Adjacent by opposite. Here, what is adjacent? BC. What is adjacent completed, right? What is opposite? AB. So now see, as of now, with respect to x, we written all ratios. With respect to 90 minus x, we written all ratios. So now we need to find what is the relation between them. We need to find what is the relation between them. See now, here sin x, BC by AC. Here sin x, AB by AC. Here cos x, AB by AC. Here cos x, BC by AC. By this you will understand one thing, right? What is the thing is sin x becomes here cos x. See here Here BC by AC and wait a second. Here BC by AC and here BC by AC. So here what we are doing now, complementary angles, right? Trigonometric ratios for complementary angles. So it is a relation here. So what you have to remember here? Sin x reciprocal, sorry, complementary angle is, that is nothing but cos of 90 minus x equals to BC by AC. Here BC by AC. So if you write like this, you can get, see here, we can write sin x as sin x as cos of 90 minus x. Understood? So for this derivation, I explained the entire this concept. Understood? This is a basic definition we need to know. Now see cos AB by AC. See here sin AB by AC. These both are matching. Yes or no? Yes. So nothing but cos x can be written as sin of 90 minus x. Sin of 90 minus x. Next cosec x. See cosec x is AC by BC. Here see sec x AC by BC. Compare these two things. AC by BC. AC by BC. Understood? So we can write as cosec x as cosec x as what we can write cosec x as sec of 90 minus x. Understood? So see the here sec x AC by BC. Sec x is AC by BC. Now what is the cosec x here? AC by BC. Understood? So these are the complementary trigonometric ratios. Trigonometric ratios for complementary angles. See here cot x AB by BC. See here tan x AB by BC. So cot x can be written as tan of 90 minus x. Understood? So by this we will conclude. See, I will write all the ratios here for complementary angles. So I will make it a little bit smaller. Yeah, is it visible? Okay, fine. Yeah. Now see. So from first onwards, I will write here. Just a little bit more this side. Okay, right. Now sin 90 minus x, cos 90 minus x, cosec 90 minus x, sec 90 minus x. Next tan 90 minus x, cot 90 minus x. Yeah, these are degrees. Okay, fine. Yeah. Now, so by this explanation, we will clearly write, right? So sin 90 minus x. See here, sin 90 minus x, sin 90 minus x, AB by AC, AB by AC. What is that? Cos x. Understood? Next, cos 90 minus x, cos 90 minus x. That is nothing but sin x. Next, cosec 90 minus x. Where is cosec 90 minus x? Here, cosec 90 minus x. Okay, cosec 90 minus x is equals to what? So cosec 90 minus x equals to AC by AB. Where is AC by AB? AC by AB. That is nothing but sec x. Next, sec 90 minus x. Sec 90 minus x. AC by BC. AC by BC. That is nothing but cosec x. Next, tan 90 minus x. Tan 90 minus x. That is nothing but AB by BC. Where is AB by BC? That is cot x. Next, cot 90 minus x. Cot 90 minus x. BC by AB. BC by AB. That is tan x. These ratios are very important while solving the problems in the exercise 11.3. Are you clear? So it is main important. So if you remember only, then we will do the problems. Otherwise, we won't. So just to see, remember, it is blindly you can remember like this: sine opposite cos, cos opposite sine, cosec opposite sec, sec opposite cosec, tan opposite cot, cot opposite tan. Very easy, right? So in this way, you should remember. So I will enter into the example problems. If one solve the example problems, then you yourself solve all exercise problems. Okay. At the same time, I will also explain. Okay. See then. See now. So we are going to explain example problems. So now see first example 8. So what is the example 8 given here? The example 8 is evaluate sec 35 degrees by cosec 55 degrees. So don't confuse here, it is very easy. And if you apply one simple logic, what we learned in the previous class. So what we learned in the previous class, these are the ratios, complementary angles, right? Sin 90 minus x equal to cos x, cos 90 minus x equal to sin x, cosec 90 minus x equal to sec x, sec 90 minus x equal to cosec x, tan 90 minus x equal to cot x, cot 90 minus x equal to tan x. So just apply these formulas there, then you will get automatically you will solve the problems. Yeah. So just we will start with the first problem. So see. So now sec 35 by cosec 55. Just see here we have complementary angle that is 90. Some of the angles must be 90, right? So sec my sec 35 9, first take the 90. So 35. So 90 minus 35. What is 90 minus 35? That is 55. Yes or no? Yes. So this is 90 minus 35, 55. Or you will take like this: 90 minus 55, 35. So these are complementary angles. Yes or no? Some of the angles must be equals to 90. So here just you apply that formula. Sec sec 35 can be write as cosec of, what is cosec of? Cosec of 90 minus 35. Okay. Sorry.